guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. Today I figured I'd do a cook with me video. I found this recipe online. It's keto friendly and I made this. So this is how it turned out. So if you are interested in making these yummy cookie dough bites that you can eat later on, just keep on watching. They are delicious. I have never tried the keto diet. If you have, let me know how that went for you. But I saw this recipe and I figured I'd try it, especially because I'm so bored just being at home all weekend, and I figured I'd make this video for you guys. Okay, so the ingredients that we're gonna need are butter, cream cheese, some peanut butter, I got this from Walmart, chocolate chips, vanilla, and then stevia. I got the Hy-Vee brand just because I wasn't sure if I was going to use it, but I think I actually have to use it. I don't understand how something can have 0 calories, because I used to think that everything had calories. So if someone knows, please explain to me. But anyways, so basically stevia, I got the cheaper kind. And then I am going to use a bowl to throw all the ingredients in. This is going to be the container I'm going to throw my cookie balls into so I can freeze them. And then I am using 1/3 of a cup, and then I'm using these just to measure out the sugar and the vanilla. But these are the ingredients that we're gonna use. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and start off with our cream cheese. I am using 1 whole pack. It does have 8 ounces. So I think it'll be helpful if you, before you start, like 10-15 minutes before you start, if you want to go ahead and take it out of the refrigerator, just because it'll be easier to mix. So you're going to go ahead and throw it in here. I'm going to go ahead and try and spread it before I throw the other ingredient. I did get the fat free just because I know that even though it says keto friendly, it's still going to be high calorie. So for me, that matters just because I try not to consume so many calories, but when it comes to desserts, I obviously, like most of the time, I just forget. So you want to go ahead and spread it. So it calls for 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I already went ahead and poured it in here. I accidentally did 1 tablespoon, but it's actually 1 teaspoon. So mine's a little bit watery, but hopefully I'm able to fix that. So just make sure you put 1 teaspoon and not 1 tablespoon. It does call for 3 tablespoons of peanut butter. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour that in there. So have any of you guys ever tried the keto diet? I've had a friend, she said she really liked it and she lost a couple pounds. Honestly, I've never tried it and I've never really been interested to try it, I guess. Just because I could be wrong, but my friend told me that when you're on the keto diet, you can't consume as much fruit, and I love eating fruit, so that's something that kind of made me stay away from it. So I went ahead and added the 3 tablespoons of peanut butter. I'm gonna go ahead and mix it. But anyways, if you guys have tried it, let me know how it went for you guys. Or if it's something you guys have thought about trying, let me know what made you guys not try it. So next, it calls for 1/3 of your stevia. In my case, I'm using my fake stevia. I was not aware that it came in 2 packages like this. So I'm gonna go ahead and open a couple of these and fill this up. So it calls for 1/3 of a cup, but as you can see, I already opened a lot and I'm over it. But I'm gonna try this just because I know that peanut butter is already sweet. I'm gonna put this much, so it's about half of the 1/3, and then I'm gonna taste it and go from there and see if I want to add the other half. So I'm just gonna pour this in here. Again, I don't understand how something can have no sugar, but anyways, I'm just gonna go ahead and mix it. As you guys can see, it's starting to have that cookie dough color. With the vanilla, I think it really gave it that brown tan color. As for 1/3 of a cup, I'm gonna go ahead and pour these in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix my cookie dough and mix my chocolate chips. And then once everything is mixed, I'm going to go ahead and taste it just to see if I'm going to go ahead and add the other half of the fake stevia or sugar. I just want to call it sugar just because it's basically sugar, but it'd be a good idea to add like almonds or like nuts or even oatmeal. I don't want to add any more calories to this, so I think I'm going to leave it like this. Oh my god, guys, I forgot to add the freaking butter, so I'm gonna go ahead and add the butter. It calls for 3 tablespoons of butter, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that and then mix it, and then we will go ahead and start making our balls. Okay, so I went ahead and added my butter. I am using the butter stick, so it's kind of hard, so if you have the container, I would strongly recommend using that just because it's easier to scoop out instead of trying to cut little pieces and fill your tablespoon. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix it and see what it tastes like after I added the butter. Okay, this is how my cookie dough looks after I mixed in the butter. Because I did add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract instead of the 1 teaspoon, I feel like it's too hard to make into a ball. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pour it in here. And I do have wax paper just so it doesn't stick. It'll be easier to take out. So I'm going to go ahead and put it in here, and then I'm going to go ahead and freeze it. But if you guys only added the 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, it should be fine for you guys to make into cookie balls. It would have probably been easier just to use this one instead of this one. I literally cannot stop eating this. So I'm going to go ahead and freeze this, and then I will show you guys the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys are going to be trying this, or what are some of your favorite healthier recipes to make at home. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I love to read your guys' comments, so please comment down below and let me know your thoughts, if it's something you are going to try, or you don't like cookie dough. So wait, but if you don't like cookie dough, you probably aren't watching this video unless you actually know me. But anyways, comment down below and let me know what you guys think. I hope you guys had a great Easter, and I hope everyone's doing good. I will see you guys next week.